છો મજામાં છો. If you are in Gujarat, so every day is a celebration, often termed as the end of the festivities. People in Gujarat surely know how to live their lives to the fullest. The beauty of state's rich cultural and traditional is showcased most floriously through the many festivals celebrated here all year round. The state comes alive with men clad in the most vibrant turbans and women in their sequin lehengas grooving in joy to the most cat's beats. When we are talking about the festivals of Gujarat, suddenly the Navratri popped out in our mind because Navratri is very commonly festival celebrated in the Gujarat. Now it is celebrated all over the India. The run of cuts, and it is a salt marsh over 7,500 square kilometers. It also reflects the ferocity of the tradition of the Gujarat. Uttarayan is the commonly we know is the kite festival. It is mainly of the Gujarat, but now it is also celebrated all over the India.
India. Ahmedabad is a city of Gujarat famous for the Gujarati food. This is mutia, which is one of the most loved dishes of Gujaratis. Gujarati thali consists of fried snacks, roti, sabzi, papad and dal. It is similar to that of Maharashtra and all Gujaratis are vegetarian. Some other special dishes of Gujarat are dhokla, khandvi, thepla, fafda, gatia and jalebi. It is famous for its special taste. Gujaratis add jaggery as an alternative sugar in their dishes. It is healthy for our body and I love Gujarati food very much. Do you know what children like to eat in Gujarat?
નમસ્તે, મારું નામ વેદાંત સોની. હું ગુજરાતી છું. મને ઢોકળા બહુ પસંદ છે. The ઢોકળા. I love ઢોકળા.
This is my favorite food, dhokla. This is a very delicious. Hello, Jamba.
The modern state of Gujarat derives its name from ancient Gujaratra. Gujarat is home to an ancient religion, Zoroastrianism. Kalo Dungar or Black Hill is the highest point of Kutch, Gujarat, India at 462 meters. The Kalo Dungar is also famous for its 400-year-old Dattraya temple, the famous abode of Lord Krishna. The Dwarkadhish temple is one of the destinations of Char Dham, a Hindu pilgrimage circuit. Gomti River is just 56 steps away from Dwarkadhish temple. Legends states that Lord Krishna blessed Gomti to flow at the distance of 56 steps from his residence. India's first jellyfish lake is located in Armabda, Kutch, Gujarat. It is also world's first lake for species upside down jellyfish. Mount Shatrunjaya is the world's only one mountain having more than 900 temples and it is located in Bhavnagar. National highways length in Gujarat is 6,635 kilometers and state highways length is in Gujarat is 17,201 km. In the map below, red line shows national highways and green line shows state highways. Gujarat's position in world production for castor seeds and fennel, which is also called soft, is first, and for isabgol it is second, and for cotton it is eighth. Thank you.
Each state more or less contributes for the same. Gujarat has also played a virtual role in giving our country such personalities. Be it in politics, movies, literature, or business, Gujarati people have proved their potential in each and every field. First is Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is known as Father of our nation. Next is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. Third is Morarji Desai. He was the fifth Prime Minister of India. He played a crucial role in nuclear power sector. Next is Vikram Sarabhai, the father of India's space program. Next is Jamshedji Tata. He was the founder of Tata Group of Companies. Next is Mr. Narendra Modi. He is the 15th and current Prime Minister of India. Next is Dhirubhai Ambani. He is the founder of Reliance Industries. Next is Sunita Williams. She is an astronaut and a United States Navy officer. Next is Homi Bhabha. He was a nuclear physicist, also known as the father of Indian nuclear program. Next is Ajay Jadeja.